So I've had this interest in candle holders for the last few years, and I've kind of become obsessed with them, as you might be able to tell from what's on the table. So they kind of started out as, like this is an example here of just some little tiny pinch pots that were put together, hollow. And then it kind of evolved into using these bisque molds. And so this just opened up all kinds of other possibilities for shapes and direction, changing direction on pieces. So for instance, this mold, here are some examples of what those look like when they're put together. So you can see that this one is going in this direction. This one is going in this direction too. This has some darts taken out of it. And then this one is actually this way. Just really, really endless possibilities and options for being creative and bringing play into my studio practice, which has just been really invigorating. So I'm hoping that you guys will also feel inspired to try out different shapes and configurations.